Suvarna Desai has been serving the Panchayat from last 10 years. She has a lot of experience with this Panchayat. So let's ask her only what's her experience and what are the problems that are faced by the people here. Suvarna bhai, तुम्ही आता फाटली 10 वर्सां सरपंच असली ना, सो कशी आसा ती पंचायत?
आमची बरी असली, सातही आमचे वार्ड असतात ते एकदम बरे असले, त्याच्यात काहीच हे गैर नसले.
सो आता जी पॅनल आसा न्ही पंचायतीचे ते बरे काय वायट
असे आता सध्या 2 भाग झाले असा न्ही, त्याका लागून अजून काय समजूंक ना.
वोटिंगाक वतली ना तुमी ए पावट
वयतले.
सो तुमकां न्यू पॅनल जाय म्हणटा काय ती फाटले बरे असले?
आता पळूया कशे कशे, सगळे वळखीचेच आसा न्हू आणि आपलेच कशे आसा, पळूया आता पुढे काय निवडून देतात ते.
ओके, बिरोंडान कितें डेव्हलपमेंट म्हण जावपाक जाय?
आता आसा त्याच्यातच सुधारणा करपाची आणि त्याच्या फुडले
सुधारणा म्हणजे अजून सुधारणा जावना. सो कितले
भरपूर सुधारणा झाली आसा. आमच्या पंचायतीन 2दा पुरस्कार in Satari Taluka, and our reporter Uday Parab has brought us here in Bironda area. We are going to find out what are the problems faced by these people, if Bironda Panchayat is helping these people or they are upset with the Panchayat. Do they want a change in the Panchayat or are they happy with the old panel? Let's go and find out. अनेक कोलो प्रोग्रेस या बिरोंडा एरियान?
प्रोग्रेस म्हणजे आता जायते आता थोडे रस्ते सारखे ना, लोकांक आमचे लोकांची कामां हें दिवंक जाय, कामां मातशी डिले जातात, खुबशीं कामां जायतीं ऑफिशियल कामां आसता पळय तीं, तेजेर मातशें भर दिवंक जाय की गरीब लोक वयतात जेन्ना कामां करूंक तेंकां कसले फॅसिलिटी आहात, कितें आहात, जायत्यो फॅसिलिटी येतात पूण तेंचे पासून पावनात त्यो पंचायतीन पासून जावं दुसरे सुवातेर ह्यो फॅसिलिटी येयल्यात आनी तेंकां हेल्प करूंक जाय. ते
This is a beautiful place. So the Made, in
Very
fact.
happy about that.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now the Panchayat elections are coming forth. So what do you have to say about this Bironda Panchayat?
I can see that some development has taken place over the last 3 years. Especially we have had beautiful, roads inside. Even though it's a hinterland. Of course, there is other work to be done, like gutters and all that. Because now it's all right, but when the heavy monsoons, especially in this taluka, then there will be problems here and there.
What do you have to say about the panel?
The most important thing I have myself experienced, and I have heard from people also, is the non-availability of the panchas.
You mean to say the panchas are non-available?
Yes, what happens, people want their panchas to be around when they have simple difficulties, which touch their lives. Like, there is no electricity. Whom they can call up? Even if they want to call the panch and ask, tell him something, they are not able to. Say, talking about governance at the panchayat level, I'm convinced about one thing, and I would like to quote from a message here. We are a great country with a successful democratic structure in place. But it will be an even greater success story if we succeed in materializing at the panchayat level the great resolutions taken at the parliament level.
पंचायतीन कितें तरी चेंज जाल्लें जावंकूच जाय न्हू, सुदारणूक जावपाक जाय गांवची. गांवचे फाटी रस्तो हेंच्यांनी एक रस्तो आमचो केला हे आमचे दुरीक बिरीक सगळे मोडून उडयले ते दुरीक बांदूंक ना रस्तो वाडयला
दुरीक तुमचे कित्याक म्हणून उडयला
म्हणजे हांगा ते कितें हें बांदपाचें आसलें कॅनल बांदपाचें आसलें ते कॅनल सगळे पडींग उडयल्या आनी कामां सारकी आमची जावंक ना गांवची कितें आनी आमचो एक रस्तो आमकां काजींनी एक 15 कितले प्लॉट आसा तो काजींतलो रस्तो तसो सगळी गुणे दाळ्या वयतलो जाल्यार वाट ना सायकल व्हरोंक वाट ना गाडी व्हरोंक मेळना कितेंच करता जाल्यार आमचे गांवाची हें बरी ना.
have Mr. Uday Singh Rane with us, who is the Sarpanch of unavailable